Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Monopoly Go tutorial video. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can easily remove or delete friends from Monopoly Go. The process is pretty quick and easy, and the steps are the same for both iPhone and Android devices. You want to open the Monopoly Go application on your mobile phone and then log into your account. From the main page, click on the Friends button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that's going to open this Friends and Family section in the app. Once you open this, click on the Leaderboard button at the top, and that's going to show you a list of your friends that you have on Monopoly Go. In order to delete or remove a friend in the app, simply tap on the person's name, and you'll get this little red Remove button. Tap on it, and the app is going to ask you, do you want to remove that person as a friend? Simply confirm your decision by clicking here, and that person will be removed or deleted as your friend from Monopoly Go. If you need more similar Monopoly and other tutorial videos like this one, just subscribe to Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.